Anyways, I don't know if this thing is going or not. Yeah, I've been quiet and I got the new AirPods, a GoPro stick, and the Hero 8. I chose you, Hero 8. I was at Walmart and I was there for like 40 minutes going through YouTube videos trying to figure out the 7, 8, or Max. I'm that guy right now with the selfie stick. People drop by like, look at that turd. Thinks he come to our island and make a bunch of videos. Anyhoozles. Guess what song I'm listening to? Low Rider. Actually, I should do it. Anyways, but I'm off to Hoopii Falls. Hopefully I have enough battery with all my gadgets. But yeah. The first step. Let's see what this is. Hey y'all. Actually, I'm gonna do it this way. See what I see. Maybe there's a salamander. I'm about to step on him. Okay. I should probably. I gotta learn how to work this. Well, let's go this way. Apparently there's stabilization. Don't want to go that way. Actually, let's just take a little peek-see poo. Oh, let's get muddy. Goats. Can I zoom in here? No. This is where Jurassic Park was. Hey, little goat. Oh, hey, buddy. Yeah, we're in quiet. So let us go to the trail, though. This is fun. Yahoo! I'm gonna be that guy in the woods just talking to himself with this fucking stick in front of him. Yeah. Oh wait. And we're off. So I'll let you know that I met a friend. Halua, Hudamardu, and he's out. I said, you're boring. You have no salami to share. Don't knock over my GoPro, bud. Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah. Hi. What's your name? Jag heter Nelvad. Oh, you want butt scratch for you. Alright, I'm gonna go in though, okay? Don't knock over my stuff. You're gonna knock it over. Oh, fine. Come with me then. I have a friend. We're going in. I'm here. Bye! Hey, doing my best day then. I was taking a leak. I did that earlier. It felt amazing. Oh, hey. This is nuts. This is absolutely beautiful. I know what I'm gonna do. This thing is waterproof, I think, right? Oh, I need to find out. I'm falling over. I'm dying. Okay. Adios. A little water on the body feels good. This is crazy. All right, hey, do it.